shedding light on the events that transpired. It was like watching a silent movie come to life, revealing the hidden narrative that the crime scene had to tell. This breakthrough led to the cracking of the case, the arrest of the perpetrator, and justice being served. It was a triumph not just for the investigators, but also for the technologies that made it possible. It was a testament to the power of AI and 3D printing, and how their synergy could transform the way we approach problem solving. This case study perfectly illustrates the power and potential of combining AI with 3D printing in the field of evidence reconstruction. So, what have we learned from this deep dive into the role of AI in 3D printing for evidence reconstruction? Let's journey back through our exploration. The crux of our discussion has been the transformative role of AI in data analysis and interpretation. AI algorithms, with their ability to sift through massive amounts of data, can identify patterns and connections that might elude the human eye. This is crucial because it allows us to extract meaningful information from complex data sets, making the invisible visible. Then, we moved on to the realm of 3D printing and its capacity to visualize evidence. 3D printing takes these insights from AI and translates them into tangible physical objects. This allows us to see, touch, and better understand the evidence at hand. It's one thing to know that a piece of evidence exists. It's quite another to hold a 3D representation of it in your hands. But the real magic happens when these two technologies come together. The fusion of AI and 3D printing is revolutionizing the field of evidence reconstruction. It's like a symphony of technology where AI is the composer, crafting intricate melodies from raw data, and 3D printing is the orchestra, bringing these melodies to life in the physical world. As we continue to push the boundaries of technology, the fusion of AI and 3D printing is set to redefine many fields, not just evidence reconstruction. Stay tuned for more exciting insights into the world of technology.